Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 3 in combination with the PiXtend PLC, Programmable Logic Control. The Raspberry Pi is running a special version of Raspbian Linux and is programmed in Python. Connected to some electronics and quite a lot of wiring. And if you have seen the previous videos in the series, then you know what you may expect. Also present this time is again the serial cable towards the computer which runs Fedora Linux. Focus of this video in the first place is go back to some older software. So I'm trying to install codesys again and trying to do some testing using the pxauto. Because right now I have a new version of Fedora installed. Maybe that all works better. Who knows? Let's check it out. And this is then the desktop on my Fedora Linux computer with using VNC, Tiger VNC terminal. Is this the environment on the Raspberry Pi with a terminal for the this coder, which I can run, and for the pxauto test module. Also ready set the command to hopefully maybe install codesys anyway. And I have no idea yet if this is succeeded by a newer version, but let's try it anyway. First, pxauto, and I have to extend this screen a little bit. So, what can I do? Digital in, analog in, GPIO, digital out, analog out, pulse modulation, some control stuff, and status. Now, what is not nice is that this is hardly controllable. In the past it didn't work at all. So pulse modulation is attached to it. It is nicely attached. No motors, but the fact that I could not control it anyway says a lot. So yeah, and of course this time I don't have the oscilloscope attached, but can I do digital out? True. So digital out is this digital out? Yeah, this is digital out. So let's do this. This should now be doing something. This one as well. This should work. Is the wiring okay? Let's just check. This wire is not okay. But it's not doing anything. Any other wires? This one is out, so it won't do anything at all. Maybe the relays, but there's no relay. Yeah, there is a relay. So no, I have to have this one going here. Relay number 1, I think. come on. Why isn't this working? Yes, now it is working. True. But return true. So come on, how do I go to next level? But anyway, that in itself works. Okay, let's quit this and go to wine. So let's see how this works out. I don't have a lot of trust in it. Oh, by the way, I can still go on with this, of course. So let's go to digital out. And then it disappears. Right, to the background, of course. And I go to this one, which is the fourth one, but it's not doing anything. So now it's responding, but this is not. So the question is, why isn't it responding? Should it then be another wire? Let me grab another wire. That is not it either. This is, by the way, an LED, not a lamp. So I should take care of the proper direction. Another thing which also occurs to me is that the voltage has turned out to be very low, 1 volt. This one can glow 1 volt, but can this one as well, which is also an LED? All those questions. Well, those questions are not being answered. So maybe I should take it in another way, but I'm not quite sure how. Then I need this to go in, but how? Where is? Let me take this away for some moment, but I don't see the screen at all. There should be something here. Scrolling back, it says error, fix me. Stops. So I don't think that is going to work at all. Warning, National Instruments etc. could not be registered at the service locator, but I do want to see the screen. Unfortunately, that screen that I noticed was in the center of the screen and I can't drag it anywhere. I'm going to quit this. How to continue. Alright, and now I have started a little bit over, maybe a little bit late, but nevertheless. Oscilloscope with it. This time I also have this install shield wizard for codesys, something that in the previous run didn't work out. And with the probes I can both see here something and here. Let's first go on here. Yes, I accept. I've read. I'm fine with this. Go. Whatever this is doing. But it seems not to work. I'm clicking and I'm clicking, but things do not work. Then let's go here for a moment. Selecting not this one, this. So I have to move this over for a moment. And I have attached to digital yellow is it's digital out 0, which is true by now, as you can see, but it's doing absolutely nothing. So I am going to select, and you can't see it, so I have to move the camera a bit. Okay, and I'm going to change the voltage. So now one block is 1 volt and I still don't see it. So I'm going to say false and I'm going to say true. And that is something I do see. Wait. False. Okay. Change the time base. True. And false. Oh, false. Now I see definitely some changes. How about the relay, which I have attached to the purple one? Going to relay 3, false. Oh, and I actually, let me change the voltage here to 2. So let me change the third one, the purple one, to 2 as well. What does that give? True. It's a very low voltage. Now it's 1 volt, as you can see. So all equipment that is, let's say, based on industrial values will not respond to it. So I will say true. And false. So this is very strange, and because this LED here has a minimum value of some 3 volts, it will never respond. And this codesys experiment is, I'm afraid, due to fail. Alright, with that I am ending this experiment for the time being. So no Python, but well, PiXtend auto tool showing that all of this is working, but not at the values I want. So I have to find out how I get values of say 12 volts or 5 volts or whatever. This ain't working. And with these results, with after recording a continuation of the codesys installation, why it does happen that way, I don't know. Maybe just very slow. And then the voltage question, things not working, things working correctly. Anyway, full of surprises. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal, IBAN or via Patreon. And if you want your name mentioned, please take a look at my website or Patreon page. For more information, please see under this video from my website, and or see the last segment of this video. To be continued. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Bye bye.